In this video, we would like to show you how easy it can be to visually enhance your home by installing new door elements. Place the frame on an even surface. To protect it from scratches, place it on some foil or similar. Carefully open the box. Check the contents of the box for completeness. The installation bag is included in the scope of delivery. For the installation of the frame, a hammer, screwdriver, wood glue, spreaders, wedges, polyurethane foam, an Allen key and a spirit level are required. Remove the protective caps and place all parts in the installation position. Apply wood glue to the cutting and contact surfaces of the edge joints, as well as in the provided recesses in the frame crosspiece for the biscuits. Afterwards, place the biscuits into the recesses and connect the frame pieces so that the outer surfaces of the rebate facings close flush. Press the tappets into the provided holes and tighten them with a screwdriver. Check that the rebate facings are flush. Afterwards, insert the special connection brackets. Please note that excessive wood glue has to be removed immediately. Wait until the glue has dried. For the horizontal and vertical alignment of the frame later on, balance uneven spots with pieces of wood. Insert the rebate facing into the wall opening. If desired, the frame can be used to cover cables, for example. For smooth floors, for example laminate or tiles, 2 mm thick plates are to be placed under the frame to ensure the bottom clearance for later sealing. Measure the dimensions at the top and apply them to the height of the closing plate and the bottom hinges using spreaders. Now, secure the frame with wedges and align it horizontally and vertically. For apartment entrances and all glass doors, the frame has to be padded pressure tightly in the hinge and lock area. For these types of doors, please observe the additional installation instructions in the enclosed installation manual. Now, insert the frame hinges and tighten them. Remove the floor protection at the bottom of the door. To ensure the bottom clearance, the door leaf has to be attached before foaming the frame. By padding or shortening the frame, the required bottom clearance can be adjusted. Now, hinge the door leaf and remove the plastic bracket for the key at the door lock. Check the general door use and the closing function. If necessary, adjust the hinges on the door. Afterwards, unhinge the door leaf again. Fill the cavities between the wall and the board padding in the edge areas around the locking plate and the bottom hinges with polyurethane foam. Wait approximately 20 minutes until the foam has hardened. Place all decorative facing parts in their installation position. First, apply wood glue to the cutting and contact surfaces of the edge joints and connect the parts flush. Now, insert the tappets into the provided holes and tighten them. Check the flush positioning, just like you did at the rebate facing. After the foam has hardened, remove the spreaders first and afterwards the wedges. Remove the excess foam flush with the wall. Now, insert the decorative padding into the designated groove in the padding board. With smooth ground, seal the bottom clearance with silicone. This is important to prevent swelling due to cleaning, for example. Hinge the door leaf and close the holes at the height of the hinges with the provided cover caps matching the respective color. For information on the handle installation, please refer to the installation manual for the respective handle. Apply the paper stencil to the door using the lever handle pin and secure it. Now, pre-drill the holes at the marked spots using a thin drill bit. Repeat this process on the other side. Afterwards, drill the final hole using a larger drill bit. For nylon fittings, use a 6.5mm drill. For fittings with plastic bottom parts, use a 7.5 drill bit, and for fittings with metal bottom parts, an 8.5mm drill bit. Now, push the handle with the lever handle pin into the hole and secure it. Make sure that the fitting pin faces downwards. Secure the bottom parts with the provided screws. Afterwards, apply the collar to the bottom parts. Secure the handle with the Allen key. Check the door function. If required, readjust the hinges at the door, and finally check the functioning of the lock. Good luck, and thank you for watching this video.